Okay, folks, we're back again to do another unboxing of comics for the shop. I'm not going to say for the shop this week because there's been some confusion. So I didn't meet the order minimum, I guess, for the Penguin Random House. Or not Penguin. Crap, I get them confused. Sorry, my bad. Lunar distribution, I didn't meet the order minimum. So all the DC books for this week and next week came in today, plus some other stuff. And there was also some confusion at the Penguin Random House. So I didn't get the Marvel books at all. And we got the IDW books in, and they were damaged. So it's going to be a little different this week. Probably not going to go like normal. So this is for this week, which today, the DC wants their books out on Tuesdays. I put them out on Wednesdays. What's the day? The 14th? So some of these books were supposed to be out yesterday. Some are for next week. So that being said, I also did a huge order because I thought I needed to meet some kind of order minimum, which apparently I don't have to do anymore till next year. Anyhow, here we go. So there's, like I said, there's extra stuff. So I ordered some stuff. I've got Watchmen hardcover. Knock, knock. This is the Watchmen. Deluxe edition. Hardcover. Not new. But this is stuff I ordered from DC to boost up my purchasing. Batman Killing Joke Deluxe Edition hardcover. Recent printing. We have this. Waller vs. Wildstorm. Number 2. That was for this week. But we never got number 1 for the customer that wants it. So, here's a counter mat that they've sent for free. Promotional item, Dawn of DC. They're pushing that. We've got posters. This looks like it's the same thing, Dawn of DC. Got a big old poster. Got some Flash posters. That movie's coming out. A bunch of promotional stuff. Posters. This is a big order. Promotional posters. So, we don't care much about the promotional posters. Just keep going with what we got. Here's another one. Sandman, Volume 1. Procrastinating having that in stock. Every comic shop should have that. We had it, sold it, moved on. We got to restock stuff. Speaking of restock, Crisis on Infinite Earths. 2-raid paperback. Current printing. Okay. Dark Knight Returns. Got to have that classic in stock. It's another Watchmen. This is just regular, not deluxe edition. This one's, I don't guess it needs a tappy, but Watchmen. Trade paperback. I think that's all of that stuff, maybe. I ordered these, reordered these because a customer wanted them. These Sergeant Rock Army of the Dead, I was able to reorder that. So if you didn't pick this up, your comic shop should be able to reorder it. This is the Bruce Campbell Sergeant Rock story. Number 1's still in stock. Oh, here's another trade paperback. Harley Quinn, got that Alex Ross cover. Good stuff. And here we go with some comics. There's some more trade paperbacks in there. Harley Screws Up the DCU, number 4. Is this a variant? It is not. That is the regular cover. Should be more than one. Is there? Is there? Yes. 3, exactly. And Green Lantern, number 2. Dawn of DC. Only got one of these. Probably a mistake. Batman Incorporated, number 9. Batman Scooby-Doo Mysteries, number 9 of 12. And here's some more comics. Then we got more trade paperbacks. Superman Lost, number 4. This is the cardstock variant. Tappy tappy. Got some weird production stuff going on along the side there. Here's regular cover. Superman Lost, number 4. I'm not sure why I'm getting the variant covers on that. We don't carry every variant for every comic. Sandman Nightmare Country, Glass House, number 3. Another copy Harley Screws Up DCU. And back into the trade paperbacks we go. Sandman Book 1. This is the a much larger trade paperback than this one. It's the same thing, but obviously more material. Let's see. No, I can't read all that, but anyhow. Yeah. And what's this? Another one of those. So, got to get those Sandman Volume 1s in here. They sell. If you're running a comic shop and you need to order more, you want to know what to put in stock, get that. Have that in stock all the time. Black Adam, number 12 of 12, the shocking finale. Got a couple of those. Batman White Knight presents Generation Joker, number 2. It is cardstock. Shall we give it a tappy? Of course we will. Tappy tappy, cardstock variant. Okay. World's Finest, number 16. We've got Vigil, number 2. I can't say from personal knowledge, but I have been told that there's something going on in Vigil, that it may be some kind of earth-shattering new rebirth of DC, something or else. Not the best choice of words there, but resurgence of DC, whatever. Anyway, keep an eye on Vigil. It might be a thing. Superman, number 5. Superman, Superboy, the Man of Tomorrow, number 3. Nightwing continues with these great covers. In Nightwing number 105. That's the regular cover, and it's $5. These are a little thicker. Not cardstock. Tappy tappy floppity floppity. And Blue Beetle, August 18th. Wow. I want to see that. Low expectations, but I still want to see it. Cyborg number 2. Just one of those. Dawn of DC, Catwoman, number 56. Selena Kyle is back. Kind of saw that coming. And Wildcats number 8. One copy of that. Spirit World number 2. Just one copy of that. Batman the movie, 1989 movie adaptation. That's, of course, the Michael Keaton movie. There's that. Something shiny coming up. Dawn of DC, Titans number 2, Death in the Family. Hey, Jared, I said family.
Family, 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 family.
Rick and Morty, number 6. Here's the shiny. Here's the shiny. Ding, 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 ding. Wonder Woman, number 800. Wonder Woman. Heck yeah. Wonder Woman number 800. This one is shiny variant with a thunderous tappy tappy. A big old $7.99 cover price. This is the regular cover. Tappity, tappity, floppity, floppity. Only $5.99 cover price. Does this? I'm looking for shiny Blue Beetle ad. And last, more copies of Vigil #2. So that's this week and next week for Lunar. Okay. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Come back. I'll be doing the one for Marvel whenever we get those books. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.